From the moment we take our first breath, we experience the world through a subjective lens, our consciousness. This enigmatic phenomenon allows us to perceive, think, feel, and interact with the universe around us. But what exactly is consciousness, and where does it reside? Traditionally, science has linked consciousness to the brain, a complex organ that governs our thoughts, emotions, and actions. However, emerging research suggests that consciousness may not be confined to the physical realm. Could it extend beyond the boundaries of our bodies, permeating the fabric of reality itself? The idea of consciousness existing outside the body has long been relegated to the realms of philosophy, spirituality, and science fiction. Yet as our understanding of the cosmos expands, so too does our conception of what is possible. Join us as we embark on a captivating journey into the frontiers of science, exploring the intriguing possibility that consciousness transcends the physical limitations of the human body. The notion that consciousness could exist independently of the brain challenges our fundamental understanding of the universe. This idea pushes the boundaries of what we consider possible, urging us to rethink the very fabric of reality. Traditionally, consciousness has been viewed as a byproduct of brain activity, a complex interplay of neurons and synapses. But what if this isn't the whole story? What if consciousness is something more profound, something that transcends the physical confines of our skulls? It suggests a reality where our thoughts, perceptions, and even our very essence are not tethered to the physical matter that makes up our bodies. Imagine a world where consciousness is a universal field, an omnipresent force that we tap into rather than generate. This perspective opens up a myriad of possibilities, from the nature of life after death to the potential for communication beyond the human experience. While this concept may seem radical, it finds support in various scientific disciplines. Neuroscientists, physicists, and philosophers alike are beginning to explore these uncharted territories, driven by the quest to understand the true nature of consciousness. Their research is uncovering surprising connections between the mind and the cosmos, suggesting that our understanding of reality is far from complete. Quantum mechanics, the study of the subatomic world, has revealed a bizarre reality where particles exist in a state of superposition, occupying multiple states simultaneously until observed. This phenomenon, known as the observer effect, implies that the act of observation itself plays a crucial role in determining the state of a particle. Could it be that consciousness is the key to unlocking these mysteries? This suggests that consciousness plays a fundamental role in shaping reality. If our minds can influence the behavior of subatomic particles, what does this mean for our understanding of the universe? It raises profound questions about the nature of existence and the interconnectedness of all things. Furthermore, the study of consciousness has led to the development of theories like panpsychism, which posits that consciousness is a fundamental property of the universe, existing in all matter to varying degrees. This idea challenges the traditional view that consciousness is exclusive to complex organisms with highly developed nervous systems. Instead, it suggests that even the simplest forms of matter possess a rudimentary form of awareness. This implies that even inanimate objects possess a rudimentary form of consciousness. Imagine a world where every atom, every particle has a spark of awareness. This perspective transforms our understanding of the universe, suggesting that consciousness is not an emergent property of complexity, but a fundamental aspect of reality itself. While these theories remain speculative, they offer compelling evidence that consciousness may not be limited to biological organisms. The implications of this are profound, suggesting that the universe is teeming with a form of awareness that we are only beginning to comprehend. This challenges our anthropocentric view of consciousness and opens up new avenues for exploration and understanding. Could it be that our brains are not the generators of consciousness, but rather receivers, tuning into a universal field of consciousness that permeates all things? This idea, reminiscent of the radio receiver model, suggests that our minds are attuned to a broader spectrum of reality, picking up signals from a vast, interconnected web of consciousness. This perspective could revolutionize our approach to studying the mind and the universe. The exploration of consciousness beyond the body is still in its infancy. Researchers are only beginning to scratch the surface of these profound questions, using cutting-edge technology and innovative methodologies to probe the depths of the mind. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, we may uncover truths that challenge our most fundamental assumptions about reality. However, the pursuit of this knowledge holds the potential to revolutionize our understanding of life, the universe, and our place within it. By expanding our conception of consciousness, we may unlock new insights into the nature of existence, bridging the gap between science and spirituality. The journey into the unknown promises to be as enlightening as it is challenging, offering a glimpse into the profound mysteries that lie at the heart of reality. One of the most intriguing phenomena in quantum mechanics is entanglement, a strange link between two particles that allows them to share the same fate even when separated by vast distances. This phenomenon, often described as spooky action at a distance by Einstein, challenges our traditional understanding of how the universe operates. This instantaneous connection, defying the limitations of space and time, has profound implications for our understanding of consciousness. It suggests that the universe is not just a collection of isolated objects, but a deeply interconnected web. Could entanglement provide a mechanism for consciousness to exist outside the body? This idea opens up fascinating possibilities for the nature of our minds and their connection to the cosmos. Some scientists theorize that our consciousness could be entangled with other consciousnesses, creating a network of minds that share information and experiences, or even with a universal consciousness, a vast, all-encompassing awareness that connects all living beings, forming a vast, interconnected web of awareness. This web could be the foundation for a collective consciousness, where thoughts and feelings are shared across distances. This interconnectedness could explain phenomena like telepathy, premonition, and remote viewing, where individuals seemingly tap into information or experiences beyond their immediate sensory perception. These experiences, often dismissed as mere coincidences or figments of imagination, might have a basis in the quantum realm, where individuals seemingly tap into information or experiences beyond their immediate sensory perception. The idea that our minds could reach out across space and time to access knowledge and experiences is both thrilling and humbling. While these phenomena remain largely unexplained by conventional science, quantum entanglement offers a tantalizing glimpse into the potential for consciousness to transcend the limitations of space and time. It challenges us to rethink the boundaries of our reality and the true nature of our existence. If consciousness is indeed entangled across vast distances, it suggests a universe far more interconnected and mysterious than we ever imagined. This interconnectedness could be the key to unlocking new realms of understanding, where the mind and the cosmos are inextricably linked in a dance of energy and awareness. Near-death experiences, NDEs, have long captivated our collective imagination, offering anecdotal accounts of individuals who have clinically died and returned to life with extraordinary tales. These stories often share common elements, despite the varied backgrounds and beliefs of those who experience them. From the sensation of floating above one's own body, to the encounter with a bright, welcoming light, these experiences are both vivid and profound. These experiences often involve feelings of peace, out-of-body sensations, encounters with deceased loved ones, and glimpses of a transcendent realm. Many describe a sense of overwhelming love and acceptance, as if they are being embraced by a force greater than themselves. The landscapes they witness are often described as more real than reality itself, filled with colors and sounds that defy earthly description. While skeptics attribute NDEs to hallucinations or oxygen deprivation in the brain, the consistency and vividness of these experiences, often reported by individuals from diverse backgrounds and beliefs, warrant further investigation. Some scientists argue that these experiences are simply the brain's way of coping with extreme stress or trauma, creating a comforting illusion to ease the transition from life to death. Could NDEs provide empirical evidence of consciousness persisting beyond the physical body? This question has intrigued not only scientists but also philosophers and theologians for centuries. The idea that our consciousness might continue to exist independently of our physical form challenges many of our fundamental assumptions about life and death. Some researchers believe that NDEs may represent a transitional state of consciousness, where the mind detaches from the dying body and enters a realm beyond our current scientific understanding. This state could be a bridge between our physical existence and whatever lies beyond, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the mysteries of the afterlife. While NDEs do not provide definitive proof of an afterlife, they offer compelling anecdotes that challenge our assumptions about the nature of consciousness and its relationship to the physical body. These stories encourage us to question what we know about the mind and its capabilities, pushing the boundaries of our understanding. The study of NDEs raises profound questions about the continuity of consciousness beyond physical death, inviting us to explore the possibility of an existence that extends far beyond the confines of our earthly lives. As we delve deeper into these experiences, we may uncover new insights into the nature of reality itself, and perhaps find comfort in the idea that death is not an end, but a transition to another state of being.